SP Education. All of my students, congratulations. In our previous class, we have already discussed about verbs and main verbs, auxiliary verbs, main verbs. We have already complete. So today we are going to learn adverb. So what is adverb first? Adverb means verb पढ़ी हमें. Verb we have already discussed about verb. Adverb. Adverb means generally we can say adverb means adding something to the verb. ता अर्थ verb सहित जी add हेच ताको हमें कौन कहिबा adverb बोली कहिबा. So very simple way we can say adding something to the verb is called adverb. ता अर्थ माने हमें सहज रे मन रखिया पाई हमें कहिबा जी verb सहित add हेच or in which words modify the verb is called adverb. In which word modifies the verb is called adverb. So we are going to learn the full of definition. An adverb is a word. It describes a verb, an adjective or an another adverbs. एटा हला adverb definition. गोटे adverb होची गोटे word जे कि का को describe करे ना verb को describe करिवो, adjective describe करिवो किबा another adverb मध्ये describe करिवो. So example, Sita sings sweetly. देखो sings is a verb. Subject है Sita. Subject है Sita. It is subject. Verb है main verb sings. Verb. एटा है verb को modify करूची. के sweetly. So केमिति गीत बोलुची. How action is done? ना Sita sings sweetly. Sweetly तार मधुर स्वर sweetly. So it is called the adverb. So we know that adverb is a word, it modifies the verb or expresses the verbs of modification. तार verb को modification जे करूची verb माने action verb action words ताकू जे modify करूची किपरि करूची काहेकि करूची केते बेडे करूची these words are called the adverb. It expresses as adverb. Then we are going to kinds of adverb. Many kinds of adverbs are there. There are 9 kinds of adverbs. Generally, there are 5 kinds of adverbs. So, in a small students know that there are 5 kinds of adverbs. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency, and adverb of degree. So, generally there are 3 important adverbs are called. One is MPT. MPT. What is MPT? M means manner, P means place, and T means time. In your higher classes, you will learn different types of adverbs and which we use. How we use in MPT, MTP, MPT. These are the different types of things are there. So we will learn in our higher classes. So today we discuss about adverb of manner means the adverb that shows how or the manner in which action happens. Tartha how action done hele ame koiba. Generally there are 3 important things. How action done, manner. Where action done, place. And when action done is called adverb of time. So today we discuss about the adverb that shows how or the manner in which an action happens is called adverb of manner. याको manner करिबो how action done. How is it किपरि the old man walked slowly. किपरि चालुची old man टी ना धीरे धीरे चालुची चलला. Walked slowly जे originally we can say LOI some LOI words. The LOI words are called the adverb. Generally it is adverb of manner we must know. माने जनरल जदि जानि न परिबा साधारण भाव रे हमें जानिबा जे जते एलवाई अछि एलवाई वर्ड गुडी को बबर व्यवहार कर ताको adverb of manner मध्ये कहि परिबा. So the child recited the poem loudly. So these words slowly, loudly, sweetly, these words are called the how action done. किपरि गीत गाउची केमिति चालुची how action done. So how action done we must know. This is adverb of manner. Then adverb of place, where action done. The adverb that shows where the action done. Where action done. मन रखिबा how action done, manner, where action done, place. Then when action done is called the time. So the adverb that shows where the action happens is called adverb of a place. I live here, inside. Let us go inside. So these are called the here, there, inside, outside. These are called the, it expresses as the place. So it is called the adverb of a place. Then adverb of time. So the adverb of time, adverb that shows the time when the action happens is called adverb of time. When when action done, how action done manner, where action done place, when action done time. So the adverb that shows the time when the action happens is called adverb of time. So I get up early in the morning. Morning haba, early madhya haba. So yesterday, today, tomorrow, morning, early, late. It is these are called the adverb of time. So it is expressed as a time. You know that it is expressed as a time. So it is the adverb that shows when action done. When action done is called how action done manner, where action done place, when action done time. So then adverb of frequency. The adverb that shows the frequency or how often action occurs is called adverb of frequency. So example, I never play football. Never. How often action? Bele bele jura ବ୍ୟବହାର କରାଯାଏ. Never, ever, sometime, often are called the adverb of frequency. These words are expressed as adverb of frequency. Then adverb of degree. Degree la kono? The adverb tells us how much action done. So mu koibi tumare bujibo much action the extent. The adverb tells us how much or the extent of an action is called adverb of a degree. So example, the student have almost finished the work. Almost. He is rather shy. So quite, partly, almost, rather. These are all called the adverb of degree. So we have already discussed about there are five kinds of adverbs: adverb of manner, adverbs of place, time, frequency, and degree. So केमतिया मन रखिबा how action done manner, where action done place, when action done time, how often action done frequency, how much action done adverb of degree. So we have already discussed about this adverb of frequency कहला कोन ना I never play football. So never हे पारे, ever हे पारे, sometime add it express as how often action केते बेले हुए जो समय आसीबो. डिग्री आसला क्वालिटी आसीबो, क्वालिटी दार केते डिबने हम कहबी गुड बेटर बेस्ट हम जोडा कहछ गुड बेटर बेस्ट हैला वेल बेटर बेस्ट इशू ग्रेट ग्रेटर ग्रेटेस्ट इशू ऑलमोस्ट क्वाइट partly. So these are the one type of so quality cases. How much action done, how much kete action ta kipori jota kipori hotla kete bhalo hobane, how much action done. So we have already discussed about these are five kinds of adverb. Next amra next class we will learn there are four types of adverbs are adverb condition, affirmation, negation. These are next class we will learn. So today we have already discussed about there are five kinds of adverb. So our class is over. Students, I will request you subscribe and like, subscribe. Samaste subscribe karibo, like karibo, video dekhibo, barambar padibo. Any question you must ask me and I will tell you your answer. Thank you all of my students. Our class is over.